and welcome to your Wednesday watch. Today I'm using marble inks. I love marble inks. They're fantastic. Go with every single system. So easy to use. I like them because they're just so quick and they look like you've done a lot more than you have. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using today. So I'm gonna do first, I'm using Pamela Henderson today. She's a right awkward client. So I've already put a ballerina base onto her. This is a flexi hand, if anybody wants to know. It's a flexi hand. It is a posable one and I do love it. But you know what I always say, if you're going to sit and offer your free services to somebody, do a competition, get a real person in your seat, because then you might gain clients as well. But Pamela Henderson works for me because I can't stand people. Joking, not joking. Anywho, back to it. Gone in with white, and I'm just as I would do with an ombre, I'm placing that bead on, feathering it backwards. You can't see it because my big hand just gets in shot, and I think I discovered that by the last finger. So yeah, that first bead, as I place it on, I'll turn my brush backwards, feathering it so it becomes nice and thin, so that when you come to ombre something over it, you don't have that big white line. So just feathering it back nicely and then painting it down. You're not walking it, patting it, poking it, literally painting it. It's just pull, pull, pull all the way down, painting it. That'll keep it really nice and thin. So after that, what you need to do is put a matte top coat on. So these marble inks, you need to put them onto a matte top coat. Don't try just buffing the nail. I've tried that, it doesn't work. Put a matte top coat on. So we're going to put the matte on, then we're going to cure it, and then we're going to go in with the marble ink. Bit of process to it, but you know, only because I wanted to do some other stuff. So you'll see what I'm going to do as well. And we are going to be putting acrylic back over this. And if some Susan turns around and says to you, "Oh, you can't put gel in," you can't. Well, just fuck off, Susan. Fuck off. No, it's going to be fine. Okay, just go with it. It'll be absolutely fine. So right, we've cured, we're out the lamp, we're matte, we're good to go. Look, there's nothing special of what I'm doing here. I can't explain to you it's just literally throw it at it. Just throw it on the nail. The purple, blue and pink is my favourite combo to do. I've done it a few times, but this time I want to do something a little bit different. But look, just throw it at it. There's nothing, it's not technical at all. Next thing you need is your blender. Okay, this is an alcohol that you're going to put onto it and it will disperse. Okay, it will break the inks apart and I try and create like a veiny, marbly effect. Sometimes it won't look like it straight away, so you'll leave it, go on to the next nail, come back to it. You'll see me do that a few times. So the more you touch it, you can kind of manipulate the way the ink's going to go, try and direct some veins into it. But yeah, it's I don't know. I really love them. Really, really love it. And it's quite hard to describe how you've got to do it. Literally just whack it on there. I'm not doing anything technical here. But at the end of the set, it looks like I've done so much. I just think it's a really easy nail. Well, I'm awful at nail art. I actually get a brush out at the end of this and I'm doing a little bit of art, but awful at it. But this is dead simples. So yeah, we're just going in with that blender, breaking it up, letting the alcohol fall into place. It does all the work for you. There isn't much to do. Now, if I'm not happy, you'll see I'll go in with a bit more of colour. I can add a little bit more. I can blend a little bit more. To be honest, I could faff about for ages with this. Not really getting anywhere. Sometimes just whack it and wish. Just go on with it. Just do it. In, on, gone. Done. I'm brave. I was a bit aggressive, wasn't I, there? It's okay, I'm in a good place again now. All's good. Just a bit passionate about the marble inks, I guess. Don't know what it is. But yeah, maybe I've had one too many Yorkshire teas. I don't know. But it came across quite aggressive there. Apologies. Not. Right, when I'm happy with this, guys, hey guys, fuck off, Kylie. Right, guys, what are we going to do here? God, I hate myself. Right, you are going to now is, you can't just come in and put your acrylic over it because it'll all disappear. So you are going to cover this. I'm just going to put a non-wipe top coat on it just to protect my marble ink. And then we're going to go in and do some more. Okay, so nothing fancy. You're just going to protect it with your non-wipe. And then what I plan to do is to do an ombre over this. I need to burp, I'm so sorry. It's the Yorkshire tea again. What? It's coming back to haunt me. So yeah, we're going to ombre it. So then we'll have the marble and the ombre. And then I'm going to get all artsy as well. God, love it. Right, once it's out of the lamp, it's all good to go. We're going in with sugared almond. Now, I forgot to press record, but I did slightly buff that top coat so it wasn't super shiny. Trial and error, might not have done anything if it left it shiny. Don't know, but I did just buff it. And this is it. You know, just try things. If Susan down the road don't do it like that, that doesn't matter. That's fine. I like to just try things. It's like I say to my students, like, it's not the way I was taught. It wasn't, you know, but sometimes you've got to find your own way. Like, I wasn't taught how to do my lipstick on the motorway whilst I'm driving, but I can do it. You just got to find your own way, trial and error. And people were saying about putting gel polish under acrylic. I understand it, but you know, there's a base layer, everything. We put snakeskin in nails. We're putting glitter and stuff into nails. That's not just liquid and powder. We're already putting things into it. So yeah, don't listen to Susan. Back off, Susan. Just have a go. Try it. If it doesn't work, then you'll know. But yeah, with all of this, with doing all the artsy-fartsy stuff, there is a base layer already laid down. That is on the natural nail. All fine. All applied perfectly. What's in the middle doesn't matter. It's like a little sandwich. Absolutely fine. So yeah, I encourage you just have a go and say, fuck off, Susan, okay? Back off. This is me. This is me. So when I'm super duper happy with that blend, we're coming in and protecting the blend with your clear acrylic. Now you can see I'm not coming straight from the cuticle, I'm coming from an apex area. I've already got a cuticle bead, there's no point making any more bulk there. So if I hadn't have built an apex with that cover bead, I'm going to do it now. So I'm placing it, the apex, coming behind it so it's nice and flush, both side walls down, leaving the product where I want it, and then just painting it forward. You see the paint is just paint, pull, paint, not walk, 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 just painting it down. But I leave the product in the back, not just wiping the whole thing. So you'll see I will place the bead where I want an apex, brush comes above and behind, making it lovely and flush, I'll wipe down both side walls, nice and thin, leaving the product where I want in the back, and then painting the front forward. Protects my ombre, protects my design, gives me that structure, and we are good to go. I have filed Pamela Henderson and given her a matte top coat and a few stars off camera because I forgot to press fucking record again, didn't I? God, I was going so well with this and then boom, forgot. Look down, like being right cocky, thinking I'm doing well good here on time. Look at this. And then I thought, oh, I haven't even pressed record. Oh, awful. Right, so I have filed her off camera. I've put a matte top coat on her. I was umming and ahhing between, should we go shiny, should we go matte? But I'm quite liking matte because what I've decided to do is pop a few stars and dots and stuff on her. Look at my hand, in the way again. Get out, Kylie. I'm going to burp again. Fucking Yorkshire tea. It's giving me right windy pops. And then I am going to be just sugaring some cocaine and champagne. It's a super fine glitter. It is cut finer than most glitters. I can't even say this word specifically. I think that's the word. Specifically requested it to be cut to a certain grade for this. So any of the super fines are cut really fine on my website. Perfect for burnishing into gel polishes. Perfect for sugaring. Cocaine and champagne and sugar tits. I know their names are fantastic, but they are just beautiful glitters for sugaring. And that's what we're going to be doing. So we'll talk through. We're applying our white. I'm going in with my detailer, just pulling through it. After I've sprinkled my glitter into it, you do have to cure it. It's a 30-second cure, this one, but I do it for 60 because I've got the glitter on as well. So I give it a bit longer, 60 seconds in the lamp, and then you just dust it off. All good, all fantastic. And that's it. That's my marble inks. Please tag me on Insta if you have a go with them. I love to see it. I love marble inks, and I think it came across at the beginning of the video. I think my passion for them, I think it might have spilled out of me a little bit. But yeah, please tag me. Oh, look at that fucking nail coming out of Pamela Anderson. What a bitch. Please, yeah. Again, I've got to do the YouTubery thing. Oh, here we go. You ready? Please subscribe, like, and comment. Please tell a friend. If you comment, I think it helps people to find me. So that's fantastic if you would. But yeah, really, just thanks. Thanks for watching, listening to my crazy rambles, and supporting me. So yes, thank you so much. I will list everything that I've used, all of the inks, all their colours, all of the brushes, everything will be in the description. So just drop down and you should see it all there. Right, I'm going to go. I think I'm due a brew. Kettle's boiling. Right, I'll see you all again next Wednesday. Love and hugs. Bye.